Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be checking out some teardown mods. Yay! Okay. Steam. Steam. Okay. So we're gonna be checking out the Omni Cutter, which last video got deleted. So yeah, we're gonna have to. Shoot, what was I saying? Oh yeah, we're gonna have to do it in this video because last one didn't work. Yeah. And then I think we should be able to do which one else would be cool? Let's do a I have that. Nice, Minecraft. Let's do something with AI. So like AI. I don't know. Let's do in simple AI. Yes, this will be cool. Hopefully. Okay. And then maybe no. Just aircraft spawner. Yeah, this will be cool. Alright, so let's go back and tear down. Turn this down a bit. Yeah. How do I? Okay, so we're gonna be putting it on, I think. I don't know. I don't know how to do this. Simple AI. Boom. Did I download anything? Oh yeah, aircraft spawner. So does the AI work? Forgot there was a handbrake in this thing. That'll be really useful. Hey tank. Hey tank. Wait. I turn on the AI. How do I get in this? That's the real question. Hello? Tank? Hello? I'm trying to get in you, tank. You know what this deserves? Aww, like... Okay. There we go. Yeah. Alright. And now what it also gets... Doggy, you might want to step away for this. Also, my dog's in the... I didn't know that would blow up right there. Is it tank? I think that tank's made for that. How do I get in though? I think it would be right here, but I can't. Weird. Well, you thought I was gonna shoot my dog? Obviously not. Let's do Minecraft bridging. Come on, bro. My dog always has to do that. Wow. So, AI. Where is the stupid AI? I didn't have to do that. Neither did I do that either. Door wouldn't open. Ah, whatever. Come on. Let me through. Ah, TV. Bye, guys. Hope you guys have a great day. And I just ran out of disk space, so can't keep recording it all. So please sub if you want to see more videos. Helps out my channel. It's free. And yeah, you'll never miss out on any videos.